A pleasant morning to everyone. We are the Group 4 and we are here today to present the Chapter 1 of our research study titled An Analysis of the Factors that Influence the Intention to Adopt Cryptocurrency Among Senior High School Students in Don Honorio Ventura State University. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Brisay Ong, the leader of this group, and I would also like to acknowledge the co-makers of this study that will present each content in Chapter 1. Christine Legaspi, Chantel Almario, and Ashley Espiritu. These are the contents of our discussion today. Let's start with the introduction. Did you know that the Philippines has a high level of awareness of crypto, as 54% of Filipino expresses their interest in investing means of payment for online purchases? According to CODIR Act, the country is among the nations with the largest active crypto community. About 2 million people are aware of the cryptocurrencies and maximum among them have owned. Crypto market is growing despite many ups and downs due to increasing demand and lenience among regulators. Cryptocurrency's ownership is extremely prevalent in the Philippines. Instead of using the market for speculations, the Filipino population has turned to cryptocurrencies, largely compromising people living in urban regions, wealthy professionals, and people who have the blockchain to send money. So, cryptocurrency isn't new to the Philippines, specifically for business owners. But are the students aware of it? How about the senior high school students of Don Honorio Ventura State University? Before that, simply stated, a cryptocurrency is a new form of digital money. You can transfer your traditional non-cryptocurrency money like the Philippine peso digitally. But that's not quite the same as how cryptocurrencies work. When cryptocurrencies become mainstream, you may be able to use them to pay for stuffs electronically, just like you do with traditional currencies. The pandemic has a lot of effects not only to the people who works and their health, but also the families who are technically are also victims. Many parents had trouble sustaining their jobs or incomes, and many students like us, the researchers, are worried about them and most likely are thinking on how to help them. All can say that cryptocurrency is everywhere. Yet what's worrying is that 72% of the students feel they lack knowledge about it. That affects their intention in adopting it. Students who aren't quite aware of cryptocurrency need something to learn about it, study it, or maybe even how to use it. It is important for them to know the risk and also the benefits before using cryptocurrency. That's why the researchers have conducted this study to know what consideration that affects the student's intention in using cryptocurrency in Don Honorio Ventura State University.
Let us now proceed to the conceptual framework. The diagram indicates the input, process, and output involved in the research that is on process. The output indicates the factors that influence the intention to adopt cryptocurrency. Our variables include perceived risk, perceived benefits, perceived value from cryptocurrency, innovativeness, self-efficacy, and attitude towards using cryptocurrency. The process that will be conducted will be gathering of data by means of survey, by making an observation and conducting a statistical analysis. This will help us researchers to analyze the factors influencing to adopt cryptocurrency among senior high school students, particularly the incoming grade 12 students in Don Honorio Ventura State University. Lastly, this study will dictate the important factors why students intended to adopt cryptocurrency.
Now, let's talk about the statement of the problem of our study. Our first statement of the problem is, what are the factors influencing intention to adopt cryptocurrency among the senior high school students amidst the pandemic in terms of perceived risk, perceived benefits, perceived value from cryptocurrency, innovativeness, self-efficacy, attitudes towards using cryptocurrency. Our second statement of the problem is, what are the effects of the factors influencing intention to adopt cryptocurrency among the senior high school students amidst pandemic? Lastly, Do the factors significantly influence the intention to adopt cryptocurrency among the senior high school students? And for the hypothesis, there are significant effects of the factors that influence the intention to adopt cryptocurrency in grade 12 senior high school students in the HONORIO Ventura State University.
Let's proceed to the significance of the study. The success of this study is critical to the following. First, students are intimately involved in this analysis. Second, it will enable business owners become aware of cryptocurrency and contemplate trying or adopting it. Next, the community. It will raise awareness among those who are already aware of the digital currency. And last, it may serve as an instrument for future researchers, allowing them to add information to both this and their analysis. Let's move to scope and delimitation. It aims to analyze the factors influencing the intention to adopt cryptocurrency among senior high school students. To be more specific, data will be collected from grade 12 senior high school students of Don Honorio Ventura State University.
Now let's proceed to the definition of terms. The words utilized to be understood for the purpose of this study are defined as follows. And these are our references. That would be all with our presentations. Thank you for your time and attention. We are now ready to receive your questions and suggestions about our research study. Thank you very much.